Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is set a default value for an engraving attribute. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our setup by clicking on this gear icon. So here I'm just going to choose our object manager. So in quick find, search for product. So once if you get result as product option, just click on it, and here fields and relationship. So again we are just going to click on new, and now choose text, which is right over here. Scroll down and click on next, and now let's go back to our challenge. So here you will find field label, which is given as engraving. Just copy this and paste it over here, and now give label followed by length as 100, and now click on next, followed by next, followed by save. So guys, now again click on object manager. So here we are going to choose configuration attribute, which is right over here. So once if you choose it, go to fields and relationship. So in quick find, I'm just going to search for target. So once if you get the result as target field, just click on it, and here just scroll down. So next to values you will find new, just click on new, and now let's go back to our challenge. Just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, scroll down and check the checkbox which is next to record type name, followed by save. So guys, now let's go to our app launcher. So here we are just going to click on Salesforce CPQ, and in global search I'm going to search for smartwatch and choose the smartwatch which is with product, and now go to related tab. So now if you scroll down, you will find this configuration attributes. Just click on new next to it, click on next. So let's copy your attribute name, which is given right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. So for target field we are going to choose engraving, which is right over here. So for row order, give value as 10, and for column order we are going to choose 2. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now just click on this gear icon, go back to our setup and click on object manager. So in quick find, search for code. So once if you get the result, just click on it, followed by fields and relationship, followed by new. So here we are going to choose type as formula, which is right over here, followed by next. So let's copy our field label from our challenge. So if you scroll down, you will find field label right over here. Just copy this and come back and paste it over here. So once if it is done, field name will be auto populated. So now choose text, followed by next. Let's copy our formula, which is given right over here, and paste it over here. So once formula is done, click on check syntax. We shouldn't get any errors, so it is like no syntax error. So once if it is done, click on next, followed by next, followed by save. So guys, now let's go back to our smartwatch section. So here what we are going to do is click on related tab. So here if you scroll down you will find this engraving, just click on it. Click on the drop down followed by edit. So here for default object we are going to choose quote. So for default field we are going to enter engraving default, which is given right over here. Just copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. So again in global search we are just going to click on Q000 followed by 49th quote, and now click on edit lines, and now click on add products. So in search product, search for smartwatch, and scroll down, just click on it followed by select. So if you see next to engraving you will find this Philip Clever Ham. So once if it is coming, just click on save. So this is just for checking, followed by save. Let's go back and click on verify step right over here. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.